Namaste, dear children. Welcome to class 4 social science social studies class. I am Viresh BM. I had taken English class for you in the previous year. This year I am going to take social science subject. I will show you some slides now. This is the second page of your social studies textbook, social studies for juniors. This textbook has 5 units. Unit 1, our country. Unit 2, our resources. Unit 3, transport and communication. Unit 4, art and culture. Unit 5, we govern ourselves. 5 units we are going to study this year. This is first unit. In this first unit 8 chapters are there. I will read one by one. The face of our motherland, first unit, first chapter. In the first unit, first chapter, the face of our motherland. Second chapter, the northern mountain wall. Third chapter, the northern plains. Fourth chapter, the western desert of India. Fifth chapter, the southern plateaus. Sixth one, the coastal plains and islands of India. Seventh one, life in the eastern coastal region. Eighth one, the climate of our country. Okay. This is the first lesson, first chapter, the face of our motherland. Okay. How do you describe a person? You can talk about the shape of his or her eyes, lips, nose, his height or weight. These are the physical features of a person. In the same way, if you want to know a country, you have to understand its physical features. What are physical features? In class 3, you studied about mountains, hills, rivers, plains, coast, plateau, etc. All these are called the physical features of a country. Now come to our country, India. Our motherland, India, is a very big and beautiful country. The wide variety in its physical features makes India a very interesting land to study. See, the crown and the cone of India. If we look at the physical map of India, we find that the northern side is shaped like a crown. Okay, na? We all know that crown is a cap king wears on his head. That cap is called crown. Okay, na? India's northern side is shaped like a crown. The great Himalayan mountain range indeed is the crown of India and the pride of all Indians. Great Himalayan mountain range is like a crown for our country. Many rivers originate from the Himalayas and flow through the plains in different parts. Okay, na? Many of the rivers originate in the Himalayan mountains. If the north is the beginning of India, the south is the tip of the nation. North is the beginning, then the south is the tip of the India. That means from north to the south. It is clear from the map that southern part of India is shaped like a cone. If we look at the India map, the southern part is like a cone shape. If you may have eaten the ice cream, cone ice cream, that shape is cone shape. Cone ice cream, cone shape. Same shape, India's southern part has cone like shape. Okay, let's come to the length and breadth and width of our country. The length of our country from north to south is about 3200 kilometer. Okay na? See, from north to south, in the north Jammu and Kashmir state is there. In the south, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, they shared both the tip of the India. Okay na? They join, both those two states join at the southern part. This is a cone like structure, and in the northern part, that is a crown. The crown and the cone of India. Okay na? The breadth from east to west is about 3000 kilometer. From east to west, from Gujarat to the west side, how much is the breadth? 3000 kilometer. Okay na? The maximum width of India is at the center. Width means a perpendicular length, for a length, perpendicular distance from the length, that is called width. Okay na? Width of India is maximum, where at the center. It decreases while going southwards. The southern part of our country is a peninsula. The southern part of our country is a peninsula. What is a peninsula? A piece of land surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. Okay. The southern part of our country is a peninsula. It is surrounded by Arabian Sea on the west side, Bay of Bengal on the east side, and on its southern side by the Indian Ocean. In this slide, see Arabian side. Arabian Sea is in the west side. India map, I am showing you India map. In this west side is Arabian Sea is there, east side Bay of Bengal is there, southern side Indian Ocean is located. All the three seas make India, southern part of India, a peninsula. Okay na? The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. In the middle of India, Tropic of Cancer line is passing through. That is visible in the slide. See, from Gujarat it went on like that towards the east side. Okay, east side from west Gujarat state starting point, west side it goes on. Tropic of Cancer dot 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 line, it divides India into two parts, not equally two parts but most equally two parts it divides. the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, na? These are the physical features of India. See India physical features. Scale is provided on the top of the right side. Scale, kilometers, like that. At the south side, one altitude scale is given in the south side. Okay, na? At the right corner, below right corner, altitude scale is shown there, okay, with different colors. See in this map, different colors. India has got different colors, okay na? See at the top, Himalayas, like that written here, okay. Aravali range in the Rajasthan part, plain of the Ganga in the Uttar Pradesh part, Satpur range in the middle of the India, okay. Deccan, it is in the Madhya Pradesh region, Eastern Ghats, Andhra Pradesh state, it is shown Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, our Karnataka is sharing Western Ghats, Kerala and Maharashtra and Gujarat, they are sharing Western Ghats section, okay na? All these are called physical features of India. Today this is my class. In the coming days, in the next day, I will discuss you the next topic. Dhanyavad.